All of you work in a manufacturing facility, right? This is probably one of the primary places where we will see people struggling with mental health because it is not traditionally a place where we talk about it.
Mental health is an important topic to discuss at work because oftentimes we feel that we suffer in silence. Creating this initiative with the committee work and working through the It's Okay campaign, I think will help bridge that dialogue and create a comfortable space of encouragement and sharing that currently just doesn't exist today.
I joined the It's Okay program because I wanted to help other people like myself who struggle with social anxiety and depression. I didn't always know that there was tools available, and I want to help spread to our employees that there are tools available.
I hope it becomes something that is just a safe environment, that we make it so that everyone has a voice, everyone can use their voice at any time.
So through this program, I want to be able to provide my peers, myself, my leadership, tools to navigate those conversations, to take care of themselves and others around them.
There's a stigma around mental health. People don't see it the same as they do physical health. And so it's important to let everyone know that it's the same as your physical health. When you don't feel well mentally, you need to reach out for help.
I think this is an amazing opportunity for everyone to really be a part of something special and just show how important it is. I hope employees will learn that it is okay to talk about mental health, and it is okay to not be okay. It's okay to reach out and get the proper tools to take care of those things.
I really hope that they will learn that there are resources, there are people who will listen, there are people who are willing to help them, who won't judge them, and want to make sure that they're okay.
Yeah, one of the outcomes that I'd like to see at this facility is that everybody has a little bit more comfort with talking about mental health awareness, both within themselves and with their team members and in their department. It's going to take a little bit to get there, but a good future state, there's not such a reserved or hidden manner of hiding how somebody feels. It will take some time to get to that point, but that's the progress that I'd like to see at the facility.